Dr. Zakir, what about in the case of a rich person who happens to be traveling and runs into problems, as it does happen when you're traveling? Is that person eligible to receive zakat?
As far as the last category of zakat is concerned, that's Ibn Sabeel, that is a wayfarer or a traveler. If a person who's traveling and if he gets stranded in a foreign land, even though he's rich, for example, a rich American comes and someone robs his suitcase and all his money and he's stranded. So zakat money can be used for buying his ticket to go back home. He's a Ibn Sabeel, he's a wayfarer. One option can be he can take loan and return the money back, but even he can take zakat money. And this is a very good provision in Islam because, for example, a stranger in a strange land, who will know him? How can you trust him with loan? You know, the new person is there. You may not trust him. So if you can give zakat, it is obligation. It's obligatory due. So you can give it to a rich person also, and he can use, but it should only be used for going back. You can't use zakat's fund so that he stays for long there and he uses the hotel and he has luxurious food, etc. It should be structured that he goes back to his place so that you help him out with the minimum requirement so that he reaches back safely home.